Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by positioning the phone so you can use one hand. If you have an iPhone X or later, press and hold the side button and either volume button. On older phones, rapidly press the side or top button 5 times. Once done, slide Emergency SOS or tap Emergency Call on the screen. You do this because it bypasses regular unlocking and connects you faster to local emergency services, while optionally sharing location and medical ID details. Next, you select or confirm the service you need and prepare to speak. If you tapped Emergency Call, enter or confirm 911 or local equivalent and press call. If you used auto call, the phone counts down and dials automatically. Make sure to cancel quickly if it was accidental. You should clearly state location, nature of emergency, and number you're calling from. Keep calm, answer the operator's questions, and follow any instructions. This helps first responders locate and assist you efficiently. Finally, you end the call only when the dispatcher tells you to or once help is en route. Stay on the line if they ask you to. If the call fails, immediately retry, try a Wi-Fi call, or use another phone. Make sure airplane mode is off. One key troubleshooting tip: make sure location services and emergency SOS settings are enabled in settings, and install carrier updates. This prevents dropped calls and helps first responders get an accurate location when seconds matter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.